If your Discord bot is not able to send messages in the general channel, don't worry. This is a common issue that server owners and administrators encounter when setting up moderation bots, music bots, welcome bots, role bots, or custom bots. In most cases, the problem is caused by missing permissions or channel-specific restrictions. The good news is that allowing a bot to send messages in the general channel is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make bots send messages in the general channel on Discord in 2026 step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and navigate to the server where your bot is installed. Make sure you have administrator permissions or the Manage Channels permission because you will need access to the server settings to modify permissions. Next, locate the general channel in your server. This channel is often named General, Chat, Community, or something similar depending on how the server was configured. Right-click the General channel and select Edit Channel. If you are using the mobile app, press and hold the channel name, then choose the Edit option from the menu. Inside the channel settings, click on the Permissions section. This area controls which users, roles, and bots can access and interact with the channel. Now look for your bot in the list of roles and members. If you do not see the bot listed individually, locate the role assigned to the bot. Many bots automatically receive their own role when they join a server. Select the bot or bot role from the permissions list. Once selected, look for the permission called Send Messages. Make sure this permission is enabled or set to Allow. While you're here, it is also a good idea to enable other related permissions if the bot needs them. For example, some bots require permissions such as view channel, embed links, attach files, add reactions, read message history, or use external emojis depending on their functions. After adjusting the permissions, click Save Changes. Discord will immediately apply the new settings to the channel. Now, test the bot by using one of its commands inside the general channel. If the permissions were configured correctly, the bot should respond and send messages without any issues. If the bot still cannot send messages, check the server role hierarchy. Open Server Settings and select Roles. Find the bot's role and make sure it is positioned appropriately in the role list. Certain permission conflicts can occur when roles are arranged incorrectly. Another important thing to verify is channel overrides. Even if the bot has permission at the server level, a channel-specific override can block message sending. Review the channel permissions carefully and ensure that Send Messages is not explicitly denied for the bot role. You should also confirm that the bot itself is online. If the bot appears offline in the member list, it may be experiencing connection issues or require attention from the bot developer. If you recently invited the bot, try removing it and re-inviting it using the correct authorization link. During installation, make sure the necessary permissions are granted when Discord displays the authorization screen. Another useful tip is checking the bot's documentation. Some bots require additional setup commands or dashboard configuration before they can post messages in channels. So that's the easiest way to make bots send messages in the general channel on Discord in 2026. The main steps are editing the channel permissions, allowing the Send Messages permission for the bot, checking role hierarchy settings, reviewing permission overrides, and testing the bot after saving your changes. Most server owners can resolve the issue within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, server management tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.